Hi family, welcome to another episode of Decorate My Dream Home. In today's video, I'm going to be turning my dining room from this to this. As you may know, I recently bought my dream house and I am on a quest to turn it into my dream home. Today's video is all about transforming my dining room into a beautiful dream eating space. All right, family, let's get into the video. Alright family, so let's get into decorating. So this is what the empty room looks like. It's a pretty big room. As you can see, it has lots and lots of windows, but we're not going to be using the windows just yet because there is something back there that I want to show you all in an upcoming video. But this is just me being silly. I like to do this little twirly thing in every single room. If you're an OG, you already know this. But yes, this is what the room looks like now. There is absolutely nothing in here, so we are going to get started, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is start out on a clean slate. So I have this vacuum sweeper that one of my followers actually suggested to me that I buy because you all know that I normally use my broom and my dustpan from the Dollar Tree. So she told me that she actually has one of these and they're very, very simple to use. So I went ahead and got one. And Nadia seems to love it too. And she's my little helper for today. So here we are. Alright family, so the room is all cleaned up. The sun is going down and there is a glare, so I did go ahead and shut the blinds. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the curtains up. As you can see, my curtain rods are already up. I opted for these new style curtain rods. They're very, very nice and they just look a little more modern. Anyway, I did get help from Mandy and I'm also going to be getting help from him to put them up. There are some things that I can't do myself and I just need help. So either Nadia is helping or if I can get help from Mandy, that's what we're gonna do. So I already have my curtains already set up. I've had these curtains for a while. I paid a lot of money for them, so they are very, very good quality. You can wash them, which is what I did here. I did go ahead and wash them, iron them, and set them up so that I can just put them up like this. These are actually blackout curtains. I really don't need them for this area. I honestly don't need curtains for this area, but I just wanted to make this area look nice, cozy, and inviting versus just having the windows and the blind. I wanted to dress up my windows, so I'm using curtains. These are 108 inches long, so they're pretty long. So when I put my curtains up, I normally don't put it right on top of the window. I usually go all the way up to the ceiling or as high as I can go. This is a trick that I use to make my rooms look even taller and more modern. But of course, the longer the curtains are, the more expensive they are, but it is so worth it. Again, I'm not using these curtains to really cover the windows. I'm basically using them for decor, so I will probably never open them up or like shut the whole window. They're just gonna be here for decor. Again, family, I have lots and lots of windows in this room. This whole living area is so light and airy. All of the windows, the living room has like 2-story windows and it's so beautiful. But like I said, the sun is going down and there's a glare in the camera and the lighting was really bad. So I did go ahead and close the blind. Otherwise, our blinds are always opened. Our backyard is pretty private. So we usually just leave them open to let the light in and it's so beautiful during the daytime. Alright family, so this is what our curtains look like. It's so pretty and it just makes the room look more cozy, more inviting, and it doesn't look like I'm renting here or it looks more inviting with the curtains up. Alright, so let's move on to our rug. This rug, y'all, usually when I design a space, I pick a rug and I go by that. So I pick all of the colors in the rug. So this is my rug for this space. I did get this rug from Home Goods. This is a really, really good quality rug. It is all natural or all neutral. As you can see here, there is no other color here, but just neutrals. And these are the color scheme that I'm going for the entire house, but especially for the dining room. So anyway, this is what the rug looks like. All right, so bringing in the dining table. If you're an OG, you've probably seen this dining table before. This table came from Rooms to Go in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a really nice table. It has all kinds of wood tones in it, which I like. Anyway, so moving on to the buffet table. Again, if you're an OG of the channel, you've seen this buffet table before. This table came from Wayfair. I've had it for quite a while. It's very expensive and it's all mirror. I like this. I feel like, I don't know, I have a love-hate relationship with this. So I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my tables. I'm using Windex and a paper towel to just clean the glass, make sure it's nice and fingerprint free, thanks to Nadia. That's one of her favorite places to play. Anything that looks nice, neat, and unbothered, Nadia likes to bother it. So of course the buffet table is all glass, all mirror. She likes to go there and look at herself in the mirror and touch and leave her fingerprints. That gives me a lot of work to do, but it's fun. I like it. Anyway, just moving on here to cleaning the table. All right, so now I'm gonna move on to the actual dining table to clean it up. I got this wood cleaner from, I think it was at Home or Home Goods, one of those two stores. This thing works amazingly well. It just gives the table a very nice shine and finish. It makes it look so brand new, okay? If you haven't tried it, take a screenshot of this, try it out, and let me know. Let's move on with our chairs. Again, I got this set from Rooms to Go in Atlanta, Georgia. This was pretty pricey, but it was so worth it because look at it. Oh my God, just look at it. Again, if you're an OG, you've probably seen this before. I'm using a lot of furnitures from my old house. As you all know, or as some of you may know, I had a lot of my stuff in the storage. I didn't have access to them for the longest time, so the house was empty. But I'm so happy now that I got everything out of the storage and I don't have to buy a lot of things because I already bought them before, and so I can use them. Anyway, moving back on to the buffet area, I like to put a mirror or something, let's just say a mirror. I like to put a mirror on top of my buffet table. Sometimes I'll do a beautiful artwork, but I feel like a mirror is beautiful in this spot because there is a beautiful staircase directly behind us. And I'll show you at the end here. When I put a mirror up here, I feel like it's going to reflect that. It's also going to reflect this beautiful but simple chandelier. And that just makes the space look so much prettier, and it also makes it look bigger. Mirrors are always your friend because it makes the space look bigger and brighter. All right, so as you can see here, I'm going with the gray theme. The curtain has a little bit of gray, the buffet table has the gray, and so the mirror is gray. I'm still playing with this one. I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it, but the size is amazing, okay? And it also goes with the buffet table, so I'm kind of playing with it, but let's see how it's gonna turn out here in a minute. All right, so I'm moving in with the decor pieces. I have this gold vase that I've also had for a while. It's really nice. That was Nadia just now. Anyway, I have these lamps. These are very nice as well. They have the tan, the gold, and a little bit of the black accent that you see everywhere else. So I'm tying everything in together with the gold, the silver, and the black, all right? And you'll see here at the end, it's gonna make sense more later, okay? So just plugging in my lamps, making sure they're in the right spaces, turning them on to make sure that they give that nice, calm ambience kind of look. And yes, moving on to the next stage. Okay, so moving on to our table, we're gonna be using this beautiful, simple vase. This is so cute, y'all. I got this from Home Goods. It's nice and simple, nothing fancy, and I'm going for a very simple, minimalistic look as well. So anyway, I got these branches from Ross, actually. These were very inexpensive at Ross, but it's so nice, y'all. It just gives the place life. Anyway, moving back onto this side of the room, this piece is a really nice little piece, and I'm just gonna see how it looks in this space. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with some beautiful decor pieces here. So the first thing here are these books, and they're also storage, and they have some really nice wordings on them. Second thing here is this bowl that I got from IKEA a while back. I've had it for a while, so I'm just filling this up with some knickknacks that I've actually had for a while. Next thing here is another black vase. I got this from Ross, I think. Super cute, super simple. Next is this beautiful basket from At Home. Super cute, super cute. Everything is super cute. But yes, that is it. I'm not gonna do all of it. I'll fill up the bottom later. The bottom doesn't really show, so I'm just gonna fake it for now and leave it as is. Next thing here is this little vase. I like this vase. It's not what you would normally see. I like the shape of it. Anyway, I just put some leaves or some, plants in there to bring a little greenery back in the space. And now I'm just moving on to this wall. I'm gonna add this art piece here just so it's not like empty, all right? So moving back onto this area, I have this huge planter that I got from Amazon. It was actually a set of 2. I have one of them in front of my entryway, and this is the second one. So this plant is actually not real. I got it from At Home. I've had it for a while as well. It's really, really nice quality, and I just went ahead and put it in this area to again bring back some life to the room. Look at what the room looks like, y'all. Nice, simple, airy. It's so beautiful. So this is my kitchen and my dining room. Now they all tie in together. See how it makes sense now when you see the bar stools from the kitchen, the countertop, the entire kitchen, and the dining room? Some of the wood in the kitchen here as well. So everything is tying in together. And one of my favorite things about this house is the flooring. Oh my God. The flooring I love, love, love. So I'm just giving you different angles of what the dining room looks like here. I'm super satisfied with what it looks like right now. I might be changing some stuff later, but right now, everything looks beautiful, and I'm so satisfied. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a little more tour. If you guys want to see an actual detailed tour for me to tell you where I got exactly everything from, comment down below. I'll do that in the next video. But I cannot wait to show you all what the living room looks like. Oh my God. Everything is finally gonna get tied in together, and you're gonna love, love, love it as much as I do. So yeah, family, that is what the dining room looks like. I'm gonna have a few videos popping up at the end of the video. Make sure to click and watch them. If you're not already a part of the family, trust me, you don't want to miss my home decor series. I'm going to be giving you all the tips and tricks on how I'm decorating my house. I'm also going to be telling you where I got every single thing from, just in case you're inspired by some of these pieces and you want to use them as well. All right, family, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and also comment your favorite part. That lets me know that you actually watched the video and liked it. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.